Welcome to CJ Wine Money Entertainments. And if you've never been to my channel before, I get real happy when I get a box. And if you want to know why, it's because I get to use my knife on the box. And there's always something good in a box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Cut like butter. Bye-bye now. There's another box inside the box. We don't need this box. This is solar lights for outdoor, backyard, garages. I love lights. I love all color lights. But outside, I really prefer solar lights. They last sometimes longer than electrical lights. Sometimes they're brighter. And I was able to get 2 of these at a really reasonable price. So if you want to know more about these, look in my link below in my description in this video. And there'll be a link, and just hit on it and you'll see more about these lights. Well, this right here on the top is the solar panel. These look like pretty bright lights. All of these right here lights up. This is the on and off button down here. And this is a sensor. So when something comes up to it, then it comes on. So it doesn't stay on all the time, which is good because it's good for intruders or animals or anything like that. But you're able to get 2 for that low price. It does come with the screws and anchors. The solar lights. I love lights. I love lights. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybees, and I love lights. These are them. I put them up at the bottom of my deck. Then this way, any intruder or whatever comes, I'll be able to see. And these are them at night. And only one got fully charged.